Hello everyone. Welcome again to my presentation. Now, a big part of my virtual cross-cultural music science learning project is that I will be incorporating various software. Um, and one of the software, no doubt, that I will be using is social networking for learning, in particular Facebook. And so I found an interesting article by Christopher Pappas using Facebook for e-learning, the ultimate guide for e-learning professionals. And just some important points that I take away from it, or I took away from it rather, um, it's how best to incorporate Facebook into the learning environment is that, as it relates to using Facebook for e-learning, the strong points are it is accessible to everyone. Um, it is a tool that almost everyone is familiar with, so that makes it easily accessible. It is ideal for social learning. There are a variety of ways um, that Facebook that we can use Facebook for social learning. Because of the nature of the design of Facebook, it encourages things like open communication, information sharing, and networking. Um, Facebook enhances learner engagement because Facebook is so popular and user friendly. It makes it easier for the more restrained members of one's audience to, you know, motivate and express their ideas and concerns. So that's one of the good things too. And then also it's inexpensive. Now, when you're looking for software to use for a teaching unit or a tool, expense is a factor. And the fact that Facebook is accessible free of cost is a plus. But there are some downsides or weak points, as with every and anything in life. Facebook can become distracting. Students may be working and then they get distracted by other things that they see on Facebook. It's not secure, so it's not necessarily ideal for the younger learners in elementary school or middle school, but perhaps for the older ones in high school. Um, and another thing, it limits the control you may have over the e-learning content. Anyone can share anything on Facebook. So you'd have to be careful that the content that the students are having access to, that is legitimate content that comes from the facilitator or the teacher. And another thing with Facebook is that it cannot provide feedback on performance. So you'd have to find a way to incorporate the ability to give real-time feedback about student performances. Those are some of the things I found about Facebook, and I wanted to share those. Thank you for watching my video presentation. Have a great day.